This phone is doing something no other smartphone has tried before. Not more megapixels. Not AI gimmicks. Not flashy features. Something different. Something bold. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra introduces a physical zoom ring on its camera reel, tactile way to control zoom. Today, we're going to find out if this innovation is worth your attention, or if it's just a fancy gadget that looks cool in pictures. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is trending for one simple reason: its camera isn't like anything we've seen. Leica has partnered with Xiaomi to fine-tune the photography experience, making this phone a serious contender for anyone who loves mobile photography. Flagship specs, a bold design, and a creative feature that makes every shot feel intentional. That's the reason people can't stop talking about it. Holding the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the first thing you notice is how serious it feels. Premium glass, solid frame. It's a phone designed for people who care about function as much as form. The camera bump is prominent, yes, but it gives the phone personality. This isn't for small pockets or delicate hands. It's built to be used. And the zoom ring, it's silent, precise. A small detail that makes a huge difference when you start taking photos. The display is massive, bright, and smooth. AMOLED perfection. Colors are punchy but realistic. Scrolling feels effortless. Gaming looks sharp. And videos feel cinematic. If you've never used a screen like this before, you'll notice the difference immediately. It's the kind of display that quietly makes other phones feel dull. Performance is solid. Flagship Snapdragon processor inside, meaning everything is fast from launching apps to multitasking. Heavy games run smoothly. Thermal management is impressive, keeping the phone responsive even under pressure. You can use this phone every day, for years, without feeling it slow down. Now, for the main reason to consider this phone: the camera. Most smartphones leave the zoom and focus entirely to software. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra puts control back in your hands, literally. The physical zoom ring lets you adjust your framing intuitively, just like a traditional camera lens. Leica's tuning adds color accuracy, natural depth, and sharpness you can actually notice. It's not gimmicky, it's a creative tool. Photos are detailed and consistent. Daylight shots are crisp. Colors are natural. And portraits have depth without overdoing the blur. Low-light performance is impressive, retaining clarity and reducing noise without looking artificial. This is a phone for people who care about photography but want convenience at the same time. Videos are smooth and stable. The zoom ring feels natural, giving you a cinematic control you normally wouldn't get from a smartphone. It's a small feature, but it completely changes how you approach each shot. You don't just take pictures, you think about composition, focus, and framing in a new way. Battery life is reliable. You'll get a full day of heavy use without panicking about charging. Fast charging is supported. But the real strength is dependability. This phone won't leave you stranded during the day. Xiaomi's software has matured. It's clean, intuitive, and full of features that are actually useful. Customization is easy, split screens work smoothly, and the phone feels polished from day one. It's designed to last for years, not just months. So, who should buy this? This phone is for people who care about photography and creative control. It's for those who want flagship performance without following the crowd. It's not for everyone. If you want a small, simple phone, or only use basic apps, this is probably overkill. But if you want to experiment, create, and experience a phone differently, this is one of the most interesting devices of 2025. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra doesn't chase trends, it creates them. It's bold, creative, and surprisingly practical. Is it expensive? Yes. Necessary for everyone? Definitely not. But if you're the type who values unique features and flagship performance, it's one of the most exciting phones you can buy right now. If this review helped you, leave a like, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more on us, long-form phone reviews. And let me know in the comments, would you try a phone like the Xiaomi 17 Ultra? Or is it too much for your daily life?